When did you last use Google Calendar? Now, when did you last plan your day and then it turned out perfectly well, that you did everything that you had intended to do? Now, most people don't realize just how powerful this tool by Google is. So, with Google Calendar, you can plan out events within a day or through a week. It all depends on how you want it. So, instance, if I wanted to plan my day on, like, let's say today, 3rd of February, so I'll pick this here, open Google Calendar from my Chrome or from your mobile, and then I open the specific day. Then when I click on the time, I can fit an event on this time. So right now it's 6:30. So if I pick something like 9, and I set up this reminder and tweet something like reminder, I just going to type something simple. Then I can choose whether it's an event, a task, or a reminder. So if I say a reminder, for instance, then I can choose it to have it repeated if I'm one person who easily forgets, so that I'll make sure I don't miss this. So if I set it like daily at 9, I want to do a specific thing. This is 8:30. I just said that is daily. I can save that. Now, once you have created your event, there is one more thing that you may want to um, get to understand. With this setup, you will not always receive the notification unless you turn them on for your desktop, and that also applies with your mobile. Now, what you need to do if you want to turn this on is you go to the settings button here and then tap settings, so that you can turn the notifications on your desktop, so you can have the sounds played and you can have the message or the message pop up anytime a new event has reached, or maybe a new reminder is to be shown to you on the screen. So there are lots of settings under this section here. So you have the language, you have the time zone. These are sometime normally set automatically if you allow Google to access your location. And then you have event settings. So you have this event settings, 60 minutes. Those are reminders. If you want to set an event, automatically add Google Meet video conferences. That's when you, if you intend to do so. Now, the most important thing here is the notification settings, because this is what will be used to show you when or how your event is to happen. So the first thing is you have to choose desktop notifications and turn them on, and then also ensure that you have a system that can show you the snoozed events. Let's say you missed a notification, but you'd still like to attend to that. So if you have the this selected, you'll have a snoozed information, maybe a preview of the notification that was hidden before, if something like 2 or 5 minutes to the main event. So you turn that on, and you can also select play notification sound so that you can hear it if even if you're not on the screen. You can also select this notify me if I responded yes or maybe, because maybe you're not sure if you're going to attend an event, or maybe you're going to meet a certain reminder. Then that will be it for you. The last part that is important also, sometimes you may not be online or connected to the internet. So if you want to be shown these notifications if you're not connected to the internet, maybe of a reminder of something that you wanted to do and it was offline, then you'll have to go to the very bottom and select offline, turn on offline calendar. This will help you keep up with notification when you are not connected to the internet. So in this section you have some other things that you can see. If you want to add another calendar, you want to choose lots of settings, import, export, and all that. So that's actually the main thing, or the main way you can use Google Calendars to organize your day. And like we said, you can set up multiple um, events or reminders within a day using this here. Pick the time, type the event title, then maybe set the time and all that. If you have another one, you do the same until it is exhausted. It will help you keep on track, and it will also help you achieve more than you would have if you did not organize your day. Remember, they say that 1 minute spent planning helps you save 10 minutes. 10 minutes of your time. So that's it. Google Calendars. If you've not learned how to use Google Forms or create questionnaires and all that, there is a video that will help you understand how to do that and share it on your social media through emails on all the possible sharing platforms.